Tira or Theyyam Tira is a ritual dance performed in Kavu, temples of the Malabar region in Kerala state, South India. This art form is performed by the artist of Malaya community. This art is performed during Ulsavam. Clan deities such as Bhagavati, Shiva are worshipped in these forms. Theyyam Tira is a main subdivision of Theyyam. It is similar to Theyyam dance performed in the same region, except that in Theyyam, the performer is considered as the god he is representing, while in Tira, the performer is considered as to be possessed by God. Tira brings the gods to life. Performers dress up with ceremonial facial paint and loud clothing and dance in front of the deity, the Bhagavati. The objective clearly is to bring a sense of awe to the proceedings. Each performer represents a particular deity and is sponsored by devotees as a prayer offering. These dances are viewed as being possessed by the gods when they are in their act, with devotees queuing up to meet them to share woes and wishes. Todi plays a very significant role in the proceedings. It is an offering to the gods, and almost all the performers dance under the influence. This helps in creating the feeling of being possessed. The performers belong to the Perivannan caste of who are given prime importance in Tira. Therefore, in Kerala, both upper caste Brahmins and lower caste tribals have an important place in worship. Tira performance at a local temple near Harivihar, Calicut. Theyyams and Tiras are ritual dance performances performed in a kavu or temple premises of Malabar area of North Kerala. While in Theyyam, the performer is deemed as God himself. In Tira, the performer is deemed as being possessed by God. This more than 800-year-old ritualistic festival is held usually between the months of December to March in scores of small family-owned temples in Calicut, Kannur, Kasargod. There are over 400 different types of Theyyam and Tira dances. The most popular ones include Bhagavati Tira, Bhairavan Tira, Chandu Tira, Gulikan Tira, Kuttichatan Tira, Chamundi Tira, Nagakali Tira, Kandakarnan Tira, etc. Performers of Theyyam and Tira, usually belonging to the Malaya, Vanan, Panan, Pulayan and Mavilan communities, dress as deities for the dance. The setting is usually temples or as ancestor worship in old houses. Theyyam and Tira dances are performed in front of a shrine and there is no curtain or stage. The spectators, usually worshippers, stand close by. Mythological stories are enacted during the performance, which could last anywhere from 1 to 12 hours. Some Tiras are preceded by Vellatams, where the performer wears light makeup and dances to the tune of drums and folk songs, emulating the main deity of the shrine. Here we present a list of temples near to Harivihar homestead where Tiras and Theyyams are performed annually. The performances are done usually once a year and the days are based on the Malayalam calendar year and hence liable to change each year.